Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Take a Dumpio here, and today I am bringing you a different video on how to install or upgrade RAM on a laptop or a computer or a desktop. It's pretty much the same thing, just different size. So this is how you do it. Currently I have 4 gigs of RAM, if you can see that. Right there, let's just focus it. There we go. Alright, so yeah, I have 4 gigs of RAM. If you guys are wondering what RAM is random access memory, and what it does is it allows you to do more things at once, as in like more games or more like open pages without lag. Alright, so here we are in back of the laptop, and really all you're going to need to do this is a screwdriver, a small little screwdriver like this. So let's just pop that open, and you're just going to take this one screw out right here. Let it come out all the way. Alright, and when you think it's out, just pop that open, like that. And there's your hard drive right here. And then there's your RAM. Really, this is like super easy. All you have to do is these pins right there. Those pins right there, all you gotta do is you gotta push them back. And then the RAM should pop right up like that. You take it out like this, just pull. Like that, and then you do the same thing. So pop that little one out and pop that little one out. Sticks up, take it out very carefully so you don't bend the little pins right here. And like I said, this is 2 gigs of RAM, so that equals 4. And then right here I got Kingston RAM, 4 gigs each, that I'm just gonna install really quick. Alright, so here's both sticks here. So all we're going to do is we're going to line this up right in here. Let's see. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Plug it in. And it's going to be a little up like that, and all you're going to want to do is just push it down. Literally push it down. Just like that. So right now we got 4 gigs. Line this up right here. Plug it in. It's all the way plugged in. What we're going to do, push it down. And that's pretty much it. You're all done. So we're going to put the cover back on right here. Alright, it's all on. Get the screwdriver. Screw that baby in. And then, voila, you're all done. I'll show you what it looks like now. Alright, so here we are again. So we're just going to go into System Properties right here. And then it's going to say I have 8 gigs of RAM. You see right there? Random access memory is what RAM stands for once again. And I do have 8 gigs. So that means the installation was a success. So if you guys like this video, please sure to hit that like button and maybe subscribe if you want to. And thank you guys, and you guys have a great day.